SOA exam P practice question number 12. A car and a truck arrive at a crossing at times independently and uniformly distributed between 7:10 a.m. and 7:35 a.m. At 7:20 a.m., a road maintenance crew begins repairing a section of the road and halts the traffic at the crossing for 5 minutes. Calculate the probability that the waiting time of the car or the truck at the intersection exceeds 2 minutes. Let's take a look at the solution. Here I construct a timeline from 7:10 to 7:35 a.m. and at 7:20 a.m. a road maintenance for 5 minutes. So the maintenance starts from 7:20 a.m. to 7:25 a.m. We need to compute the probability about the waiting time that exceeds 2 minutes. So this happens when the car or the truck arrive at the crossing between 7:20 a.m. and 7:23 a.m. The probability that the car or the truck arrive within this 3-minute interval is 3/25. The number 25 is the 25-minute interval from 7:10 to 7:35 a.m. Let's define the event. Let's C be the event that the car arrived at the crossing between 7:20 and 7:23 a.m. and let T be the event that the truck arrived at the crossing between 7:20 and 7:23 a.m. We need to compute this probability, the probability of the union of events C and T. This probability equals the probability of C plus the probability of T minus the probability of the intersection of C and T. The car and the truck arrive at the crossing independently. So the probability of the intersection is simply P of C times P of T. All these probabilities, PC and PT, equals 3/25. Do the substitution, and we get the answer 0.2256.